Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of mobilestechland.com. In today's video I'm going to unbox the brand new sealed Msi Gl63 8Se. This is a very good gaming laptop. This is one of the best laptops in the industry with a reasonable price. Ready? 1, 2. Yay! The laptop bag, the beautiful MSI bag which has its logo. This is the dragon logo. Beautiful bag. And now the main bag. Wow! True gaming MSI. These are the specifications. 15.6-inch LED panel with anti-glare and wide view. It has a CPU of Core i7, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 6GB DDR6. It has a hard disk of 1 TB, RAM of DDR4 16 GB, 88 GB into 2. It has an operating system which is built in of Windows 10. It has an US International keyboard and a battery. So now it's time to unbox the main package. I'm removing the seal now. Wow! And then we have the MSI quick start guide, and this is the laptop. Wow! Very beautifully packaged. Reddish design with the MSI logo.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
It has the Dynamic 3. It has 2 giant speakers. It has matrix display, cooler booster 5, USB 3.1, HDMI, Dragon Center. It's a very good laptop. It has Core i7 8th Gen with NVIDIA, and the best part is it has the Steel Series keyboard. So now I'm turning on the PC. Wow, look at this reddish keyboard, beautiful. Look at the display. So everything is ready. This was the unboxing. This is the charging cables and the charging dock. So that's pretty much it. The performance of this laptop is no doubt one of the best in the market. So if anyone is willing to get this laptop, you can buy this device, no doubt. The performance and gaming is going to be amazing. Thanks a lot for watching. So I hope this video helped. Bye bye.